Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Think Techi and myself Chandan. If you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing and watch this video till the end. Today topic is how to mirror or clone one hard drive to other hard drive or HDD to SSD. This is also called as copy one disk to another. We do this when we want to copy same configuration to many systems with lesser time. Also, if we upgrade from hard drive to SSD, we can do this same to save lot of our time and effort of installing multiple softwares and searching for license keys which was activated earlier. So what all things we need to perform this task? First is minimum 4 GB USB flash drive, old hard drive from where you want to copy the image, and screwdriver set. So let's get started. Go to any browser and type active boot and go to active boot official web page and search for download menu. Then go to freeware evaluation and select download option and select save file option. Once the file is downloaded, open file path and run the setup. Now active boot disk creator installation window will appear. Select next and then accept license agreement term and select next again and next and click on finish. Now bootable disk creator window will come up. Now insert USB flash drive where you want to install the media and format the USB manually with default file system setting. Now go back to bootable disk creator window and select the USB you have connected. Click next. We need this for Windows based boot disk, so we will leave this as a default and click next. And in next page select skip format media, as we have already formatted the USB manually. If you still want to format, then click yes and select create option. Now this will take some time. Your USB will be ready to perform the task. Now you need one hard drive case where you can connect your old hard drive, or if you have any other connector you can use that to connect with laptop, or if you want to do this for desktop you can connect using a SATA cable. To laptop using USB port. Once hard drive and active boot USB is connected, power on your laptop and immediately press F12 and go to boot menu. There select active boot USB drive to boot and hit enter. active boot will load. If you have freeware software, it will pop up and message asking for buy now and register. If you have a license, you can activate. Here we will continue as this has 21 days free trial with limited access, which is enough for now. Here you will get multiple options, but we will go with copy disk to disk option. We'll not go into detail of other available option now. If you guys are interested in those, please leave your comments. We'll do a separate video for that. Now we'll select copy disk to disk option and select the source disk from where we need to copy. Select this carefully or else you will lose all your data if you accidentally select wrong disk. You can also identify the disk with brand name. In my case it's Hynix. Once you have selected source disk, click next. Now it will ask you to select destination disk where you want to copy. In my case it's disk 0. I will select disk 0 and click next. Now it will pop up asking for deleting all the data in destination disk. Select yes and select next. Now it will show the detail about the task we are going to perform with source disk detail and destination disk detail. Select next here. Now copy process will start and will take some time depending upon how much data you have. I'm fast forwarding this to save time. Click finish option and turn off your computer. And remove USB and hard drive you have connected. And boot the laptop normally. Now you can see it will boot normally. Now you can enter your earlier credentials which you used to log in and it's all set to go. Hope you liked this video. If you have not yet subscribed, please consider subscribing, and if you have any difficulty or question, leave a comment. We'll respond to that. Thank you for your time.